Hi, hello, dear students. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಸರ್ ಎಜು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲಿಂದ. So, dear students, in the last class we already started factorization lesson. In that lesson we have to completed first exercise 14.1 and also we started 14.2 exercise. In that exercise we already completed first main, second main and also third main. Now we have to understand fourth main and as well as fifth main exercise part. So let us move on to the exercise part. Before start the exercise fourth main exercise part, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So don't waste the time. Let us move on to the fourth main exercise. What is given in the fourth main exercise 14.2, fourth main, factorize. Fourth main 14.2 exercise, fourth main. First one is factorize a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4. So understand. So in the last class we already discussed the formula also, algebraic expressions formula. What are three algebraic expressions of formula? So first one is a plus b whole square formula and also a minus b whole square formula and also a square minus b square formula. We already in the last class we discussed these three formula. Based on these three formula we can solve the 14.2 exercise. In that exercise we have to up to completed third main. Now started fourth main. First question is a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4. So now listen here. So in this given problem, a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4, we can arrange this problem a square whole square. So a to the power of 4 ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು a square whole square ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಮತ್ತೆ 2 into 2 4. Again a to the power of 4 is answer will be coming. So that's why we can write a to the power of 4 is in the form of a square whole power square. So and also b square can be written as b square whole power square. So let us see here. So this is in the form of a square minus b square formula only. What is a square minus b square formula? A plus b into a minus b, isn't it? So observe here in the a square, what is there here in a square form? What is there here? A square whole square is there. In place of b square, what is there? B square whole square. What about a and b value? So a value becomes a square only and also b value becomes b square only. So we can apply a and b value to this a plus b into a minus b place. So next place is, so in the here in case of a I can write a square. So a square plus is there, I can write plus. In the place of b I can write b square. So into, in case of a I can write a square, minus is there, I can write minus. In the case of b I can write b square, isn't it? So a square plus b square is same because there is no identity is there, a square plus b square. So a square minus b square is in the form of what identity? No, third identity. What is third identity? A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b. So this is your final answer, isn't it? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. This is the fourth main first question, a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4. Let us move on to the second problem. What is given? So ಸೊ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ second problem. What is given in the second problem? P to the power of 4 minus 81. So observe, this is also very easy by knowing the identities. So P power 4 minus 81. P power 4 can be rearranged in the form of P square whole square, and also 81 is also we can written as 3 to the power of 4 or 3 square whole square, because so 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 na 4 time multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So that's why 81 can be written as P square whole square. So minus is there, minus I can write 81. In the place of 81 I can write P square whole square, isn't it? So this is in the form of third identity. What? A square minus B square. So A square minus B square, we can expand A plus B into A minus B. So here observe, in the place of A square what is there here? P square whole square. P square whole square. In the place of B square what is there here? 3 square whole square is there. So what about A and B? So A value becomes P square and also B value becomes 3 square. So we can apply the A and B value to A plus B and as well as A minus B place. So then next step is, in the place of A I can write P square. In the place of plus is there, plus I can write. In the place of B I can write 3 square. So into, in the place of A I can write P square, minus is there, minus. In the place of B I can write 3 square. So P square plus 3 square is the same, because no identity is there, but P square minus 3 square is in the form of A square minus B square. In the place of A square what is there here? P square is there, minus is there, here also minus is there. In the place of B square what is there? Here 3 square is also there. So that's why this is in the form of A square minus B square formula. So this can be expand in the form of A plus B into A minus B. So that's why we can expand P square minus 3 square in the form of A plus B into A minus B. Then what is the answer here? P plus 3 and P minus 3. So in the final step, P square plus 3 square means 3 3s are 9 only, into P plus 3 into P minus 3. P minus 3. So this is your final answer. This is your final answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ? 81 can be written as T to the power of 4 or 3 square whole square, because 3 ನ ನಾವು 4 time multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 81 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So that's why 81 can be replaced in the form of 3 square whole square. ಇದನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ us move on to the next problem. I can take a fourth problem somewhat different from starting two problems. So ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, fourth problem, what is there here? X to the power of 4 minus x minus z whole power 4. Whole power 4 is there. Observe this problem. we can rearrange first step is rearrange this problem in the form of a square minus b square formula only. So x square can be rearranged in the form of x square whole square. So again multiply 2 into 2 4. So x to the power of 4 is coming. So that's why I can write x to the power of 4 in the form of x square whole square. So minus x minus z is also I can write x minus z square whole square. X minus z square whole square. So observe here, this is in the form of what identity? Which identity? A square minus b square identity. What is a square minus b square identity? A plus b into a minus b. So here what is there in the place of a square? What is there here? X square whole square is there, and also b square. So in the place of b square what is there here? X minus z whole square. X minus z square whole square is there. What about a and b value? A value becomes x square only, and also b value becomes x minus z square only. We can apply ab value to the a plus b into a minus b place. So then the next steps becomes, in the place of a I can write x square plus, in the place of b I can write x square minus z whole square into in the place of a x square I can write minus is there, minus I can write minus. In the place of b what is there here? X minus z is there, x minus z square close bracket. So next step becomes x square plus, so this is in the form of what? This is in the form of a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square? A square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is in the form of a minus b whole square. In the place of a what is there here? X is there, minus is there, here also minus is there. In the place of b what is there here? Z is there, whole square is there, whole square is also there. So that's why this is in the form of a minus b whole square. So this can be expand. So x square minus 2xz plus z square bracket. Next into, so observe this is in the form of what? A square minus b square. This is in the form of a square minus b square. In the place of a square what is there here? In the place of, observe this one, in the place of a square what is there here? X square is there. In the place of b square what is there here? X minus z square is there. So this is in the form of a square minus b square formula only. What is a square minus b square formula? A plus b into a minus b. What about a value becomes x, b value becomes x minus z only. So place this value to the in the given in the this equation. So then x square x plus x minus z into x minus z. In the next step x square is there, so this can be right x square plus x square ಇದನ್ನೆರಡನ್ನೂ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2x square minus is there minus 2xz plus z square closed bracket, so into x plus x plus x minus z into x minus z. So this is your final result also. Okay, this is your final solution, isn't it? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x to the power of 4 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x minus z whole to the power of 4 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಬಹಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಮೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಮೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್. So what is given in the fifth main exercise? Factorize the following expressions. In the fifth main, what is given? Factorize the following expression. This type of exercise, this type of problems you have to solve in your lower class only. So just revise the concept. What is given in the first problem? P square plus 6p plus 8 is given. So factorize the following expressions. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ನ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು? ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಏನು ಬೇಸಿಕ್? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 6 ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6p ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 8 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆ ತರ ಯಾವ್ದು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ 4 and 2, 4p ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2p ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 6p ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 4 into 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So that's why I can take 4 and 2 numbers in this given problem. So you can write p square plus, instead of 4p I can write, instead of 6p I can write 4p plus 2p. Instead of 6p I can write 4p plus 2p. So plus 8 is there, plus 8 I can write simply. So next step. So here is also p square is there, here is also p is there. So I am taking p as common in this group. So p is taken common, remaining p is there. So p square ಅಲ್ಲಿ p ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರಿಂದ 1p ಇರುತ್ತೆ. p ಇದೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ p ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಕಾಮನ್, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೇನು 4 plus I can take here 2 and 8 are coming from the same table, second table, so I can take 2 as common in this group. So remaining this 2p ಒಳಗೆ 2 ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು p ಉಳಿತು, plus 4 2s are 8. So that's why instead of 8 I can write 4 only. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು, ಈ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎರಡು ಏನಿದೆ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇವೆರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ನ ಬದಲು ನಾನು ಇವೆರಡರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವೆರಡು ಟರ್ಮಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವುದು p+4 ಅನ್ನ ಒಂದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? p+4 into p+2. This is your answer. And also the factors of given p² plus 6p plus 8 is p+4 into p+2 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗಳು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಮೇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ us move on to the second question also. Here is only 3 questions given. I can show 2 questions answer, remaining one is your homework. So I can take the second question. Okay, so second question is, what is given? Q square minus 10p plus 21 is given. So observe, this question is also similar to first question. Here is also we can take a middle term 10p is there. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10p ಬರಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವೇ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 21 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆ ತರ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು? 7p minus 3p ಇವೆರಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10p ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 7 into 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 21 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ 7p and also 3p. In the place of minus 10p I can take a minus 7p minus 3p. So you can rearrange this question. Q square minus 7p minus 3p plus, so one second, sorry, this is not a p, this is a q. So you can change it, this is a q. So this is not a p. So this is a 10. So I can take this minus 7 cube minus 3 cube. So answer will be minus 10 cube. So and also 7 into 3, 21 is coming. So that's why in the place of 10 cube I can write minus 7 cube minus 3 cube plus 21 is there. 21 I can write simply. So listen, in the next step, so here is also q is there, here is also q is there. So that's why I am taken q as common. Remaining q square ಅಲ್ಲಿ q ಅನ್ನ ಒಂದು q ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು q ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ 7q ಅಲ್ಲಿ q ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಉಳಿದೇನು 7 ಉಳಿತು. ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 3 and 21 are coming from the third table, so that's why I have taken minus 3 as a common. So remaining is q is there, minus into plus minus only. So 3 7s are 21. Instead of 21 I can write 7. So observe here, this term is also similar, this term also similar. In the place of both the term I can write only one term, that is p minus 7, q minus 7. So in the final answer what we can write? Q minus 7 and q minus 3. So in the given problem the factors of q square minus 10q plus 21 is q minus 7 into q minus 3 only. This is your answer. So dear students, in this fifth exercise, fifth main, so there are 3 problems are given. I can show the 2 problem solution, remaining 1 problem is there, you should be work it. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ algebraic expression. So in the next class we can continue the next exercise. So thank you. Please like, share and subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯಗಳನ್ನ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.